Hi there, how are you guys? I hope you're all doing good. Today I'm going to show you a South Indian famous and that too how to make a Mangalore southekayi sambar. That too in a totally Brahmin style. So it's going to be very easy and believe me, it's going to taste awesome. So without much of wait, let's see how this beautiful recipe is done. To make this Mangalore cucumber curry, and I have taken a beautiful Mangalore southekayi or known as a Mangalore cucumber. So what we have to do is we need to prepare this first. Look, we need to take out all these innards or else it will give a bitter aftertaste. With the help of a spoon, I am taking this out. Look, it has been nicely cleaned and washed this thoroughly with the water one time. And look here, these are nicely been washed and it's ready. We'll cut them into manageable sizes. But do remember, don't peel off the skin. Cut somewhat big pieces. And now look, these cucumbers are nicely been cut. But do remember, don't peel off the skin. It should be with skin. And now these pieces are now ready. Let's keep them aside. And look here, I've taken a mixie jar. In this, I'm going to add half a cup of grated coconut and 2 tablespoons of samba powder. For this recipe, please check the iCard here. I've shown a perfect recipe for this samba powder. We'll add this 2 tablespoons and 5 to 10 grams of a tamarind pulp. And we'll add a little bit of water and make a fine paste of it. And now look, the masala paste is perfectly done. Look, the masala should be this fine. This is perfect. Let us keep this aside. Look here, I kept a pot and added enough water and I have boiled the water. You can see the water is also boiling nice and good. In this, I'm going to add these pieces of cucumber. To this I will add a half a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or a regular cooking oil and a half a teaspoon of turmeric, and I will give this a nice mix. So I will close the lid and allow them to cook for about 8 minutes on a medium flame. And now look, it's been nearly 5 minutes and I'll open the lid. Wow, you can see these are cooked perfectly. This is more than enough. At this time, we'll add this masala paste. We'll add the excess water and give this a nice mix. It smells literally wonderful. Look, the consistency is also nice and perfect. We'll allow this to boil. Look, it's boiling. In this, we'll add some cooked tur dal. I have boiled nearly 40 grams of tur dal and I will add this. And in this, I will add a teaspoon of jaggery powder. And we'll give this a nice mix. At this time, check the seasoning. If you want more spice, you can add some more of a sambar powder, or if you want salt, add some salt. And you can see the dal is nicely boiling. At this time, I will close the lid and allow this to cook for about only 2 minutes on a high flame. And now it's been nearly 2 minutes and the aroma is to die for. It's that good. Let's open the lid. Just perfect. And we need to give this a simple tampering. So for this, I'll shift this. For this, I'll put a pan and I will add a tablespoon of oil. And now the oil seems to be nice and hot. In this, I will add some mustard seeds. There is an important trick in this tadka is that whenever you are doing a tadka, never add any ingredients until and unless the mustard seed splutters. Look, the mustards are spluttering. At this time, we'll add the red chili and a strand of curry leaves and few pinches of asafoetida or hing. And give it a nice mix. And here you go, a simple tadka is now ready, and we'll add this tadka into the sambar. And give this a nice mix. And here you go, the Mangalore southekayi sambar, that too in a Brahmin style, is now ready. It's that simple to make. Hope you guys like this video. Then please support us by subscribing to our channel. We'll be back with another yummy recipe. Till then, Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara.